What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto here with Lieutenant Wilson. All right, so today we are going to be reviewing the Lanmodo car tent. The Lanmodo car tent is a futuristic vehicle protection device. The Lanmodo is a vehicle umbrella which could be installed in as little as 30 seconds. It has a suction that can be put on just about any surface, any car. It's sturdy. And with just a click of a button, bam, the Lanmodo is set to go. Push the button. How cool is that?
It's that easy.
It is a car umbrella.
And it literally takes...
It takes 30 seconds to set this whole thing up. It does have some soft surfaces to protect it from scratching.
This is a safety tether. It's got steel cable inside of it.
Yeah,
so even if you cut it.
Yeah, so you can't cut it, you can't steal it. The Lanmodo car tent will protect your car from scorching heat, acid rain. It protects your car from hail, bird poop, falling objects. It also protects it from snow. It actually has a detection device, so it knows when there is snow on there and it shakes it off. I don't have any snow here to demonstrate, but I will demonstrate falling objects, which is another thing that this car will protect you from.
The Lanmodo has a USB charging port right here. You can charge lights, cell phones, anything that's compatible with USB. Here's a power source.
If you're wondering about the high winds, this thing is not going anywhere, as we're gonna demonstrate here. Now, I don't just review anything on my channel. I do get a lot of offers from a bunch of crap. If I don't believe in it, if Lieutenant Wilson doesn't believe in it, we're not doing it. But this thing is pretty damn cool. All right, we're gonna try the drop test. I seen him throw a brick on this, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna throw a brick on this thing.
We have a brick.
We're gonna throw everything we can find around here. What do we have? A brick.
Lightweight
right.
yeah,
there you go.
This is about half what the brick weighs.
All right, so we're gonna start with the object. Start with the metal pole. Okay, now that's a serious pole.
This weighs about 1.5 pounds.
About 1.5 pounds metal. Look at that, nothing.
Slid right off.
Yeah.
It shocked me already.
Now,
this
that
is
thing,
about 2 pounds, 2.5.
yeah. And it's actually, I would say about 3 pounds.
3?
Yeah, because it's actually pretty heavy. I had to ship one of those before, and it was at least 4 pounds
3,
with the packaging. Yeah,
2.
go.
Slid right off again. Moving straight on up.
A brick. And how much do you think that weighs? About 10 pounds?
Oh no. 5
A brick?
to 7. 7 pounds, I believe.
I'd say 9 to 10 pounds, but whatever. It doesn't matter. It's heavy. Everybody knows how heavy a brick is.
Okay. Ready? 3.
And I trust this device enough
Lanmodo.
that I trust the Lanmodo that I'm going to throw a brick on top of my beloved movie car.
Just like the advertisement. Lanmodo, if this doesn't work, of course we're going to be sending you a bill. 3, 2.
Wow.